Quick tip here on modeling. So here I'm prepping for some training to show modeling in a way that's robust, or everything is not going to break when replacing, say a sketch. So here I have a molded part and then two plates, an A and a B plate. And it creates a core and cavity from the molded part. So if I hide those, and I'm working on also creating a core, but here's the molded part. So my experimentation is around modeling so that nothing breaks, and I want to be able to delete an entire sketch and replace it to a certain extent. I mean, there's certain things that, like the core, that would still have to, land inside of the part. But, you can see I'm deleting everything in the sketch and recreating it, and nothing is breaking, which I'm very happy with. What I'm most amazed with is the outside radius, or corner radiuses, and then the bottom floor radius. These I have not been able to get them to automatically update before, because when you go into a blend, your options are you guys, everyone's familiar with the selection possibilities here, and they're pretty manual. Connected, tangent. There's no way to pick the outside four corners. So the crazy thing is, this is made up of a blend with body edges and then delete face, adjacent faces, selecting the top and bottom, and with an extrude, because the top and bottom is not, the ID of the top and bottom is not relative to the curves that they come from. Only the side faces are relative to the curve ID, which is being replaced. So it's basically adjacent from faces is deleting the top and bottom radiuses with a face, that ID that won't break. And so that this gets us down to the four corners. So now I can do face edges, and again the top ID is robust and doesn't get replaced, so I just pick the top, or in this case it's actually the bottom of the molded part, it's the floor, and then say OK, and then shell. So now I have two different radiuses that don't care whether they come from a new sketch. And I haven't tried, circle wouldn't work, that's stupid. But yeah, so like I showed before, I can delete this. We can go bigger this time. Oops. From center doesn't even matter, but I certainly can't get bigger than my stock. There you go, and it updates all the way to the bottom without breaking. Oh, except for it just grew outside of the stock size. So that's my demo. Have a good one.